Hi everyone. If you're new, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Thank you so much for joining us. I signed up for Thrive Market and I just got my first order in the mail like 15 minutes ago. So I apologize for my hair mess. If you see a lot of movements or hear a lot of noises, we have a helper. But we're getting ready to unbox our boxes. Yay! Alright, so let's get started. Can you say hi? Hi! Yeah! Let's open the first box. Is that Lincoln? Alright. So in the first box, I ordered by Emerald Health Botanicals Endo Inflame. Says it has soothing effects on reducing pain, healthful response to inflammation, promotes mobility and flexibility. Sorry, we can't sit still. We are on the move. I also got some Himalayan pink sea salts because my husband had decided that he wants to use the sea salt grinders, and that's the kind that's in our grinder, so we need more. I got baking soda and a Lunette reusable menstrual cup. Sorry, I have the phone sitting on a box and Lincoln's moving the box around. Oh no! Oh no! There we go. And I got the size 1. The reviews for the size 2 weren't really that great, so I went with the size 1. Hopefully that will fit. I know certain sizes you have to, or you're supposed to use after you have a baby. And I know I tried one before, a different brand, and it didn't really fit that great. You gonna show them that one? Oh, you can hold that. I also got some cup wipes because it suggested it, and I really have no clue how to take care of the cup, but we'll find out. I'll do a little bit of research on it. And then this Amazing Grass Protein Superfood. Maybe. Can you show that? Oh. So there's that. I have 2 boxes, so it was really 2 orders. But this was a free sample from this box. And you can hold that, buddy. Nope, you don't want it. So that's all for the first box. The second box is much bigger. So it's past nap time. We already took our nap for the day. Otherwise, I would have tried to do this by myself. But that's not how it worked out, and that's okay. Mom life. Okay, the second one. This should be, yeah, everything should be vegan. It's what come up, are you dancing? It's what come up under my vegan searches on there for snacks and staples and whatnot, because we love to snack in this house, right? It's not healthy, I know, but we need snacks. And snacks that we can actually eat. The first one is Hippie Snacks Cauliflower Crisps Original. That seems like it'll be good, huh, buddy? Here, you want to look at stuff in the box with Mom? Next is Non-GMO Dragon Fruit Crisps. Oh, wow. Thank you so much. Fresh Bellies, Keep Calm, and Cardamom. Apple slices. We just had lunch, otherwise I would offer him some of these snacks, but we literally just got done eating. Organic Bear Crunchy Granny Smith Apple Chips. Wow. Here, you want to see something Mom already pulled out? Nope. Okay. Oh, Lincoln's helping me. He grabbed out the nutritional yeast seasoning. I was trying to look for staples that we could use that I don't already have. I don't have a lot of healthy food in the house. So I need to go shopping for staples this week, hopefully. And not like legitimate staples for papers. You know, staple foods. The next is Vegan Rob's Cauliflower Puffs. I'm trying to go through this fast because he's unloading the box for me now. Jackfruit meal, red kidney beans, tomato and rustic herbs. I really want to try the jackfruit and I'm so excited. Italian snacking lupini beans. Can I have that? Thank you so much. Luke's organic potato chips wavy. Ooh, thank you. Made in Nature Veggie Pop Sour Cream and Onion Super Snacks. Free to eat rotini with green lentils, kale, broccoli, and spinach. Wow. Soft baked breakfast fruit and ovals, chocolate chip banana. Lincoln is leaving with some of the things that he unpacked for me. Sea salt macadamia nuts. Oh, organic veggie sticks. They're the small packets. Hopefully so I can grab and go, send them to the babysitter or take them to work with me. Another cauliflower puff. In the next section, there is cinnamon applesauce, organic cinnamon applesauce. Original jackfruit, free of gluten, soy, and oil, good source of fiber, cholesterol free. Easily make sandwiches, tacos, salads, or over rice. Oh, Amazing Grass protein superfood rich chocolate, because I absolutely love chocolate and I'm having a hard time finding chocolate that is vegan, because I love milk chocolate, not so much dark chocolate. So we'll see how this goes. Then I have avocado oil potato chips smoky barbecue. There's a small baby ramming a small toy into my back. You gonna go down your slide? Be careful. Avocado oil potato chips smoky barbecue. I might have already said that, but I think I got two. Maxine's Heavenly Peanut Butter Chocolate Chunk Cookies. These sound good. The packaging looks good. I'm hoping it's amazing. And I was also trying to, I might not have succeeded, was trying to look for products that were also soy free, because that's one of Lincoln's allergies. It's lactose, soy, and egg. And then I got Kitchen and Love quinoa quick meal with artichoke and roasted pepper. There were two of those. Sorry, now we're turning the lights on and off. And I don't think this is a vegan, but it was a small sample. It's very tiny. Of Tony's Chocolonely milk caramel sea salt. And then it looks like I have maybe some glass things in here that are a little extra wrapped. Okay. This is organic roasted garlic tomato sauce. Looks like I have two more things. This was jackfruit, organic young jackfruit. I have no idea what to really do with jackfruit, so if you have some really good recipes you have that you love to use jackfruit for, put them down below. And the last item is organic non-GMO applesauce original. Going to try and use this as an egg replacement in some baking recipes, but let's be honest, I don't bake, so this probably isn't going to go well no matter what. That is all that I have from my Thrive Market haul. Thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe. Have a great day.